Time to leave Jasper. It's a beautiful place. Despite the fires they've had here over the last year or so, this place is just gorgeous. You get a chance, come on down here and see this, because this is just phenomenal. Some lady at a campsite told us she'd been all over the world or something like that, and she'd seen everything, but this was the most amazing place ever. So I came here with quite a critical eye, as one does after hearing something like that. But I gotta say, this place really lives up to the description. Everything, all the trees around here are burned in huge swaths stretching for miles, and this town has been inundated with fire. But just a wonderful place. So if you ever find yourself wandering up through BC, be sure to stop here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Good morning. We are still in Banff National Park on our way around a circle walk in Johnson Canyon. The one that dropped. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff about waterfalls. Basically, what this canyon is one long stream of water falling off at different spots. At the top, about 2 miles ahead of where I am now, there are what are these 5 what they call ink pots, which are basically different colored mineral waters that then in part flow down through what you've been seeing so far. It's gorgeous. It is a climb. Anyone who does this should know that they're in for a trek. You can stop whenever you want, but getting up here takes some doing. Oh, and I almost forgot to say, this segment of today's episode is sponsored by Jane I of Southern California. She loves scenery like this and is a great traveler. So Jane, this one's for you.